Wait. Don't scroll if you have been feeling down or stressed. This is your sign to take a break. Industries over the US have been losing $300 billion annually due to organizational stress. So it's not just about the US, it's also about India and other European countries. But wait, before that, let's hear what Professor VKJ has to say.
But I'm here to give you a very important message. This stress leads to wastage. How? Incorrect decisions. Not able to handle the projects correctly. You start a feature and then finally the client says, I don't need that feature. Now, you can trace back, if you do a fishbones analysis, you can trace it back to stress. Stress faced by the executive and by the staff. What is stress? It's a mismatch between an individual where they expect something but something else happens. Therefore, it shows in the body, it shows in the performance. Now, people are there who practice yoga. You have several other methods to handle stress, but yoga, everyone says, I go for a yoga class. Now that's the trend. And everyone thinks that by doing yoga, you can take away your stress. You can manage, if not eliminate your stress. Is it happening? Some might say yes, many might say differently. Why is it so? It is so because you are focusing only on one dimension. Yoga needs to be focused on 3 dimensions are there. Only one dimension the focus comes, and then it comes to the second dimension, and then the third dimension is, by many yogic schools, it is totally forgotten. And you don't even practice that. Where does yoga first start? Does it start in the body? The union or the setting of, the harmony, right? In the body first, or is it in the breath or in the mind? Who smiles first? You or the mirror? Obviously you. The mirror happens to be the body. Okay, but here we have people who go clean the mirror, you adjust the mirror and do all that stuff and wonder why the mirror is not helping me to come out of this stress. It's because your mind is still stressed. So when the mind doesn't come into the grip, you take use of breath. And that is where you're going to see a small demo. We are going to have desktop yoga, corporate yoga for stress elimination. We're going to come out with a lot of points and videos. So don't forget to subscribe, follow us, whatever be the case. We do appreciate your comments. You're welcome to participate too. So Aparna is going to show you, a simple technique of how you can use just 2 minutes, just a few moments, and how you can take a break from your stress. Okay, how you can start to breaking the rocks in a big mountain of stress. Watch Aparna's demo. Do the breathe in, breathe out slowly for about 3 minutes. After that, the chair twist can be for 2 minutes. Once these 2 are over, you can offer the namaste and gratitude after this. Breathe in, breathe out. Now pull your shoulders up as you breathe in and drop your shoulders, breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Shoulder up, down, breathe out. Yes, now look for a twist. Hold one hand onto your knee and twist yourself. And breathe easy, reverse. Hold the other hand as you see her demo. Light twist, back. Okay. Don't strain, don't force yourself. Give a gentle twist. One more time. Hold the chair, breathe, and release. Relaxed way. One more time. Hold the chair, move, breathe. Breathe out as you let go. Yes, that's it. Simple techniques that can help you relieve your stress. Remember, the deep breath is with the shoulder up and a shoulder drop. Don't forget that. Feeling gratitude to the universe. Take a deep breath and say a namaste. Thank the universe. Keep your eyes closed and gently rub the palms. Cup your hands over your eyes. Do not look at any bright light. So you can follow this after the deep breathe in and twist exercise. Yoga Samita. Samita means the coming together of three aspects. The first one is the Rishi or the knower. The second one is the Devata or the process of knowing. And the third one is the Chandas, which we call as the object or what is finally known. These three things coming together form the Samita, and that is the essence behind all aspects of yoga. What happens is in the world, many practice yoga, but they attribute the practice of yoga only to the body in the form of different asanas, mudras. And some, yes, do integrate these asanas with the breathing. The third dimension is many times completely avoided, and that is you. You, matlab, the mind. So actually, the correct way to start a yogic practice is by taking a sankalpa. That means I am here to still my mind and harmonize my mind along with my body for good health, wealth, and happiness, and for the welfare of all mankind. That is the essence. So yoga starts from the mind, then onto the breath, and then onto the body asanas. Okay? And if you say my mind is not coming under my control, it is not coming under the sway, then you make use of your breath. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and as you focus your awareness on your breathing, the chattering mind slowly and slowly comes to a focal point. Then you can start your warm-up, asanas and exercise, which is what Aparna has just demonstrated to you. More to come. Keep watching. Do subscribe for my channel. Good luck, folks.